Hi, today we'll be doing the Valgus and Varus test. Valgus testing the MCL and Varus stress test testing the LCL, the knee lateral collateral and the medial collateral. So to begin, I will have my patient, I'll sit on this side so she's closer. You want to have your patient kind of come to the edge of the table and then apply your distal hand to her ankle, and then with your proximal hand you're going to go ahead and find the medial joint line. So for the purposes of this video, so you can see, I'm going to put my hand on the back side, and then go ahead and use your hip to supply the fulcrum for this motion. And again, this is the valgus stress test. You can test it in 0 degrees and then 30 degrees of flexion. So go ahead and put your hip into the side of her knee and apply a valgus force, straining the MCL here. And then and 30 degrees of flexion, you're going to go ahead and apply the same force. And then with your hand on the joint line, you're just feeling for pain. With this patient, might experience pain on the MCL side, or there'll be an obvious open of the joint line. Next, we'll go into the Varus stress test, which is very similar, just in the opposite direction. So go ahead and find the joint line again, as so, with your proximal hand, and you're going to go ahead and do the same thing, so in 0 degrees and then 30 degrees of flexion, except the force is going to be coming from the medial side. So 0 degrees, and then 30 degrees. And we are testing for the LCL sprain in the Varus stress test.